Welcome to this visual call path presentation about misdirected calls, one of the most common problems that SureTel administrators are asked to resolve. Before visual call path, the only resolution involved hunting and pecking through director. Now the solution is straightforward and easy. We find the source of the misdirected calls by navigating to the destination that's experiencing the problem. In our example, a sales agent, Renee Russo, is receiving service-related calls that should not get to her. So we open a diagram that shows the ways in which calls can reach her. A good practice to follow in resolving misdirected calls is to document the call flow as it stood when the problem existed, and then again after the correction has been made. Visual Call Path has an autosave feature that follows a standard naming convention and is ideal for this documentation. Clicking Autosave had opened the File Save As dialog completed with Renee Russo 5526, which corresponds to the naming convention of entity type, followed by its label and extension. After the diagram opens, we'll start by following the connectors to their sources. We immediately learn from the dotted line connector that Renee is an agent in a workgroup. It's reservations, so we're okay here. The next link leads to a main menu and a sales menu that's fed by steps in a sales workgroup. No problem here either. This link connects to several sales and main menus, so we're good here as well. However, this next link shows that Renee is a member of the Service Hunt group, and that's one source of the misdirected calls. The last link is to an OK Sales menu, so we've confirmed that the problem only originates from the Service Hunt group, and we can now proceed to the next step and repair the issue. This whole process of identifying the problem source happens so fast that it can be done in real time while taking the user's initial service request. To repair the error, we open Director and navigate to the Service Hunt group. Scrolling down, we see that Renee Russo is a member, as is Renee Zellwinger. Must have been a data entry error. Now remove her, save, and we're done here in Director. Finally, we need to validate the changes, and again Visual Call Path makes that very easy. Rather than needing to create the diagram over again through the wizard, there's a refresh button under the Add-ins ribbon in Menu Commands that will recrawl the Sureware database to get the changes just made and then regenerate the drawing. Here we see that the connection removing the Service Hunt group has been validated. Click the Save As menu button and save the file as corrected to complete the documentation. Those are the 3 steps required to make the necessary corrections. 1. Identify the source or sources in the call path that created the misdirected calls. 2. Repair the incorrect connections in Director. 3. Validate that the repair is complete. Identified, repaired, and validated. Done. That concludes the presentation about how Visual Call Path troubleshoots misdirected calls easily. We hope you saw the benefits for managing your SureTel system. Be sure to contact us for more information or to schedule a webinar. Thanks for your time.